business administration forms the vital part of all micro, macro, and SMEs in today's world. Realizing the required aspects that are required for an aspirant pursuing his post-graduation in MBA, we have precisely planned the curriculum so as to enable our aspirants to prove themselves in the industry.
We discuss about the class once the class gets over.
Yes, it is very helpful because we have people from diversified culture in our university.
Arts department guarantees that every aspirant receives flawless comprehension of all the technicalities and is properly trained with relevance.